Welcome to the Customer Wizard training video. To log into your Oracle instance, click on Login. To set up your list of instances, click on the three dots. Copy-paste your instance URLs and enter an alias. Select your instance from the list of values. Click on Login. Enter your usual Oracle credentials. Choose a responsibility from your list of values. Click on Continue. The responsibility has to match the functionality you're about to use. For instance, a receivables responsibility to create and maintain your customers. Click on this icon to select your template and mode. If you want to create your own template, please refer to the following template definition video. You don't need a template to use the wizard. There are three different modes in the Customer Wizard: Customer, Party, and Banks. Choosing a mode is mandatory to use the wizard. Create a new sheet with this mode, Customer. The sections are similar to the Oracle forms. In this mode, you'll be able to create and maintain your data from the customer to site use level, including attachments, profile amounts, contacts, payment methods. You can easily tailor your spreadsheet layout. Hide or remove some sections. Move columns around. You can also create a template to keep only the sections and columns you need. Refer to the template definition video. Double-click on any data entry cell below row 10 to bring up the user form. The wizard retrieves your instance setup, DFFs, list of values. Enter your new customer. Use the list of value features to help with data entry. If some sections or columns are not needed in your layout, they will be grayed out. Use a % sign to perform a full search. Let's have a look at the different upload modes. You can create new customers or update existing ones. Here we want to create new customers. If you choose Create, the wizard will create this section only. If you choose Create All, the wizard will create the customer but also its child sections, Site, Site Use. You will find a user form on each section. Double-click anywhere on the section to open it. Use the wildcard character % sign to increase the search capacity and then click on the three dots to search. Click on Change to bring up the other fields. Yellow fields are mandatory. Create All upload action comes with automatically from this customer upload action we have entered before. Let's create a site use for this customer. Create All was also pulled out from customer level upload action. When you close a user form, it validates your record. You can also create your dataset using an external report. Row 10 is used for default values. It is useful for big datasets. The value you enter in this cell will default into any blank cell within the load for this column. You can override any default value by entering something different against a customer. If you only want to create the customer header only, enter the action Create against the customer section. The site and site use for this customer won't be uploaded. If you want to create the customer and site levels only, enter Create in the corresponding sections. Only this site will be uploaded for the customer, not the other ones. The site uses for this customer won't be uploaded. Your dataset is ready. Before uploading it to Oracle, you can validate the data in your spreadsheet. You can highlight a few rows and validate your selection, or validate the entire spreadsheet. The wizard will ensure all mandatory columns are entered. Check field formats, values in your list of values. Validation doesn't process any data into Oracle. You can see a validation status against each section of the spreadsheet. Corrective fields highlighted in red. Copy-paste the right value. Double-click to open the user form if you need to have a look at the list of values. Enter %sign to perform a full search and then click on the three dots. Double-click on the error to reach the section concerned. You can type the correct value, copy-paste, use a formula, open the user form to fix it. If you want to validate again, you can use the validation functionality. When you're happy with your data, you can upload it to Oracle. You can highlight some rows and upload your selection. Or upload all rows. Before uploading, the wizard performs validation. After validation, the wizard uploads correct records to Oracle using Oracle API. Oracle API are created and supported by Oracle. If your customer has created successfully in Oracle, you will get the status accepted. If there is no upload action against a section, the corresponding data is validated but not uploaded. For this customer, the child sections site and site use have not been uploaded in Oracle. If you want to upload it, enter create in the site and site use upload action column. Or create all against the parent section. Using the customer wizard mode party. Select the mode party. In this mode, you have access to these sections: Party, Profile Org Extension, Party Site. Party Site Extension, Party Site Use, Party Relationship, DFFs. You can validate your dataset first. Or validate and upload to Oracle. Let's upload all. The upload always starts with validation. Then the wizard uploads the valid records to Oracle. The wizard brings back some error results and messages for incorrect records, or accepted status when the record has been successfully uploaded to Oracle. Double-click on the error status to go to the section with the incorrect data. Double-click on any cell to open the user form if you want to have a look at all the list of values. When you close a user form, it performs the same validation than the ribbon validation. Let's do the same with the second error. Use Ctrl+click to select the two records you have just corrected. Choose Upload selected to process these two rows. Now these two rows are accepted. Using the Customer Wizard mode Banks. Switch to the appropriate mode. With this mode, you'll be able to create and maintain these sections: bank accounts, bank owners, bank assignments, debit authorizations. Let's upload all our dataset. The wizard validates your data before upload. If the upload has failed you'll see an error status and message against your record. If your record has been created successfully in Oracle, you will get the status accepted. Correct your data. You can type the correct value, copy-paste user formula, open the user form. Double-click on the error to reach the section concerned. Double-click on any cell to open the user form if you want to have a look at the list of values. Select the rows in error using Ctrl+click. Upload your selection. Using the download functionality. Using this functionality, you can download data from your instance. First option, download using sheet data. Enter or copy-paste your criteria on the sheet or on a new sheet. Then select download using a sheet data. Data to be downloaded can be entered in the following worksheets columns. You can keep or remove the criteria entered at the end of the download. If the customer has several sites, it will create a gap between each customer header. Multiple sites and site uses will be inserted below the customer header. Let's add a new row to create a new site for the first customer. Double-click anywhere on this row to open the user form. Choose Create Upload Action to create the section only. Enter the address. In the same upload, you can create and update your data. Let's deactivate the customer 2 and 3. Enter update as the upload action against those 2 customers. Select the 3 customers and upload your selection. You will see accepted status against the data that has been uploaded to Oracle. A new site has been created for this customer. 2 updates have been performed for these customers. Let's bring up a new sheet with our current template mode. Using the download form functionality. Select Download Form. You can use multiple search criteria. It is possible to search using only site criteria. Here it will download all customers with sites based in Canada. Let's do some maintenance on those sites. If your responsibility has access to multiple operating units, you will see them all. Let's do some maintenance on those customers. Double-click on any data entry cell to bring up the user form. Let's change this DFF value for all the customers we have downloaded. We use Ctrl+H to update all customers with INTL value. Enter Update All as upload action in the default value row. Then upload all. Before uploading, the wizard performs validation. After validation, the wizard uploads your data to Oracle. If your customer has been created successfully in Oracle, you'll get the status accepted. Thanks for watching the Customer Wizard training video.